front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store to get Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. Then launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Wait for the pop-up, hit consent, and tap on this gear at the top left corner to check out all of those options. Adjust all of them and check out preview at the top to create perfect wallpaper for you. You can even hit presets on the left and check out all of those by clicking on the best one. After adjusting all of those options, just click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Yes, tap on Apply Tool and decide where you wanna apply it by clicking on one of those options, Lock Screen, Home Screen, or Lock Screen and Home Screen. Make sure to tap on Apply at the top right corner to save your changes and then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!